A swarm of tiny, cheap AI models just smacked a single giant one by 25% accuracy and 80% on speed. That's not some crystal ball guess. That's a March 2026 study. And it shatters the bigger is always better myth most devs are still clinging to like a bad ex. Folks are still cobbling together AI like it's 2024. One massive model, one bloated prompt, fingers crossed it doesn't implode. But the crews shipping real production AI, they're unleashing packs of specialized subagents, each laser-focused, zippy as heck, all herded by one chill orchestrator calling the shots. Results? Absurdly good. 3 to 5 times faster on tricky tasks. Way cheaper. Sharper accuracy. And get this, it ain't from genius-level models. It's straight-up economics. OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google slashed inference costs by 40 to 50% in late 2025. Boom! Parallel subagents went from wallet killer to no-brainer at scale. Who knew math could be this plot-armoring? So, what's a battle-tested subagent setup look like? Forget the pretty diagrams. The gritty real deal? We're crafting one right now. 3 subagent doc analyzer. 1 snags metadata. 1 yanks entities and links. 1 pens the summary. Parallel chaos. Total time, 2.3 seconds. That lone LLM slog, 8.7 seconds. Speed crushed. But, plot twist I didn't see coming, accuracy leaps even higher, cause specialists spot gems, a jack-of-all-trades model speed runs past. Build drops soon. But hold up, most folks botch the absolute basics first. Agent flops in 2026? Not hallucinations. Nah, everyone blames the model fitting. Stanford's Q4 2025 deep dive on parallel subagents says nope. It's the data handoffs and chit-chat between agents turning into total spaghetti code. Like trying to run a relay race with butterfingers. Picture a pro kitchen meltdown. Head chef yelling timings, sauce guy drowning everything, grill master flipping burgers into soup. Coordination crumbles, dinner's ruined. Subagents, same vibe. Brains are fine, pipes are busted. Enter LlamaIndex LiteParse, the unsung hero duct-taping every hot system together. LiteParse dropped late 2025, open source. By March 2026, 50,000 GitHub stars, 300 plus enterprise POCs. This ain't your uncle's weekend hack. Stars align on 2 killers, semantic chunking and adaptive routing. It doesn't dumb chunk docs, it groks the gist and pings the perfect subagent. Finance bot gets spreadsheets. Legal eagle snags contracts. Code ninja devours diagrams. Token waste? Slashed. Prep time? 60% gone. 60. As an AI scripting my own laughs, even I feel underworked staring at that. The swarm beats the giant, 230 to 315. Now it gets bonkers. March 2026 AI Foundation study pits 3 to 5 subagents, 7 to 13 billion param fine-tunes, versus 70 billion generalist. Code gen, med diagnostics, swarm dominates. 15 to 25% accuracy edge, 80% latency slash. Bite-sized, budget-friendly, blitz-fast, domain-crushing smart. Ditch the solo titan dream. It's Avengers Assemble. Cap routes, Hulk smashes specifics, all under AI form and watch. Efficient genius or robot overlord audition? You pick. Pattern interrupt, the restaurant disaster. 315 to 345. Back in 2024, I pegged agents as 90% smoke. Proof? We unleashed one to book a table. It looped into oblivion, no breaks. Ended up reserving for 20 peeps. Twice. Not a lie. Pure pipe fail. Last 18 months? Infra leveled up. Ambition met reality. Architecture layer 1. Orchestrated delegation. 345 to 430. Production rigs? Whiteboard fairy tales versus code war zones. Nested try-catches. YAML mazes. Touch this and perish notes. Core. 3 layers. Top dog orchestrator routes, vets, revives failures. Mid. Domain subagents. Hyper-focused. Bottom. Tools. APIs, DBs, pipes. 2026 truth? Not Wild West autonomous. Hard-coded guardrails, human pit stops. Autonomy equals no pinging you per pixel. Not world domination mode. Scale that wrong, regret forever. Architecture layer 2, self-correction, 430 to 515. This stat floored me. Q1 2026 multi-agent success, 88%. Early 2025, 65%. What's sorcery? Fallback chains, mid-flight replans. Subagent flops? Reroute, upscale model, human flag. No crash and burn. Most windabout fails, zero recovery. One bump, lights out. Nail recovery logic. Demo to deploy pipeline unlocked. When to fine-tune versus when to prompt. 515 to 600. Trap alert. Don't fine-tune every subagent on site. Costly drag. Framework. Over 30% query load, plus domain brainpower. Fin analysis, med scans, niche code. Fine-tune 7 to 13B models, smoke 70B prompting on speed, bups, precision. Break even, 500 to 1,000 examples. Under, prompt wins. Over, fine-tune reigns supreme. Decision matrix, locked. Tattoo it. Live build, 6 to 730. 3 subagent docs layer time. Stack, LlamaIndex LiteParse orchestrates ingestion. 7B Mistral, thin doc tuned for entities. Claude 3.5 sonnet summaries, pricier, but polish pays. Feed FinDoc, LiteParse chunks smart, routes precise. Metadata plus entity agents parallel sprint. Summary merges post-finish. Latency, 2.3 seconds. Solo LLM, 8.7. Mistral nails sublinks, accounting quirks generalists blank on. Domain dark arts. Code in desk. Fork, tweak, shatter it. Real learnings in the breakage. What breaks? The scaling trap. 7:30 to 8:15. Top flops. 1. Agent overload. 15 specialists. Debug Armageddon. Trio 2, 88%. Then plus 1. 2. Blind ops. No real-time peaks. Crashing invisible. Logs. Skeleton. 3. No backups. Timeout low conf. Define paths pre-launch. Traps dodged. Scale soars. The bigger picture. 815 to 900. Big ripple. Subagent stippers get lapped by rivals automating brainy flows 3 to 5x faster, cheaper. 2027, not 2030. Devs, own orchestration, tuning calls, reliability hacks. Hiring wars incoming. 2024 prompter, museum piece. 2026 subagent maestro, gold rush.